Welcome back everyone, it's Annie. Today I am unboxing a Vera Ultimate Travel Case in cotton in the Perennials Noir pattern. Okay, I purchased this as a gift for my mother-in-law. She wanted a new travel case for Christmas, and I know she loves Vera Bradley. So this is how it was delivered. And we are going to open it up. Let's see. There we go. Okay. There's a travel case. And I also ordered her a peel case to go with it. Okay, now the cost of this was $29. They were having a sale. I ordered it shortly after Thanksgiving. And this was the only pattern that was left. They were sold out of all the other patterns, but I thought she would really like it. Okay, so it comes covered in plastic. Okay, and this is cotton. Okay, it has two handles. Let's open up this first outside. There's some paper in there. Stuck in the paper. Have to work on that. Okay, so this is the outside. Now, I think they call this PVC. Let me read in the description. Front zip compartment features a mesh zip pocket with logo lining and a laminate wall with PVC flap and 8 elastic brush loops. So there's the PVC flip. There's the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where you could put your brushes, which I don't think she uses a lot of brushes, but okay. And then we have the zip compartment right here. Okay, let's close that up. If I can, yeah, okay, it's got a little bit of that tissue in there. I do see a few loose threads, but I can clip those. And these are originally $75. They were on sale for $29. Okay, now let's get into the center. Okay, let's see, in the center it says, which would be the main zip compartment, is PVC lined and features 3 elastic loops. Okay. So there's the middle. And then here, you see the loops. I can get 4 fingers in there. Okay. And I thought, no, I thought maybe these open, but they don't. Okay. So there's that. That's the middle compartment. Okay. Now, well, this compartment, back zip compartment, features logo lining with 3 gusseted elastic pockets, a zip pocket, and a slip pocket. Okay, that's the one that they look. I think I got it backwards here. Hold on. I think it's this one. And see, now I'm a little concerned about that. Thought Vera Bradley, you don't really expect that. I mean, I know I can just clip them, but if I would have paid the regular $75, I don't know. Okay, let's see. There we go. Pocket. That's a pretty big pocket. Then we have a zip pocket. And then you have 1, 2, 3 pockets right there. And then here's the tag, Vera Bradley. So originally $75. Ultimate travel case. I think she's going to like it. For myself, I probably would have ordered a big one. But for my mother-in-law, I think this is going to be perfect. I just need to clip those loose threads. And I really like the pattern. That's very pretty. That suits her perfectly. I hope she likes it. Okay, now I'm going to show you the peel case. This came wrapped. And this is the same pattern. Perennials Noir. How do you pronounce that? Somebody let me know. Okay. And this is... Oh, I didn't know it came with the actual... Well, that's good, because I was sitting here thinking, I wonder if her medicine case, you know, pops apart. You know, sometimes they're one long piece, you know, and I was kind of scared that I'll have to go get her a miniature one. But that's nice. It actually comes with it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Cool. They do pop apart. That's good. Okay. And then that looks like a little ID holder. Okay, I'm impressed with that. I really like that. I think she will too. And this is, you know, hard bottom. Even without this in here, it's hard. Adorable. I like that. And this was not on sale. I paid full price, $20 for this. So, I'll give you a little close-up of the pattern. So what do you guys think? Do you think she's going to like it? I hope so. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.